Alright. Why is this? Oh, this way. Hello and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I'm Vanessa and this is Nessa CX Beauty. Today's video is going to be the unboxing of the Premium Summer Mystery Box by Jeffree Star Cosmetics. This one is the $45 one, retail value for $94, and it's going to contain 5 items. So I know I said I would do the Strawberry Dream palette review next, but since this came to me this morning, I was like, let me do this one right quick so I can do that one right after. So I'm gonna be in the same shirt in both of these videos, not gonna lie. But we're just gonna dig into it because I waited 3 weeks for this to get to my house. So let's start. All right. Why is this? Oh, this way. So there's some green tissue paper up in here. So the first item I see is doll parts, and this is a liquid lip. This is doll parts. I'm gonna put it on my lips. This is doll parts on my lips. I definitely see myself using this shade in the future, and I'm really content with it. So the next thing in my box is the question mark shade, which is the mystery shade included in every single mystery box, and this is how it looks. I don't think I'm going to be putting this on my lips because this looks like a color that I stray away from. The third lippy is a lip ammunition, and this is in the shade Celebrity Skin. And this is one of Jeffree Star's most popular shades, if I'm not mistaken. And I'm actually going to check this lipstick out because I've heard a few things about his lipsticks, and I don't want to believe them until I see them with my own eyes. So this is the lipstick, and I'm going to inspect it because I know, like, my friend London has gotten questions if she's found any hairs, and y'all, I found one. Oh shit. I found 2. And there is sweat beads on it. I'm gonna insert a clip more close up of this lipstick. Okay, so hopefully you guys could see that from the clip. I did find hairs, and I'm gonna take my tweezers and see if I can pull them out. So let's go in. There's one. Oh my god, I wish you guys could see this. It's like really freaking tiny. But there's one hair. And then here is number 2. Oh shit. I don't know how to do this. I don't want to mess up the lipstick, but... Oh, I'm messing up the lipstick. Taking out hair number 2 was a fail. But, I don't know. I think I'm going to still try this on my lip. It is weird that I found hairs. I didn't believe it because of all of the, like, Jacqueline stuff. But if you guys can see it in the video, let me know. But this is Celebrity Skin, and it's gonna go on my lips. So it is really light on me, but I don't think it looks bad at all. I don't know what to say about that. So we're just gonna move on to the next item. So this is the Liquid Frost in Crown Jewel, and I do not own any of the Liquid Frost, so I was hoping to get a gold one. But then on second thought, I don't think I want it just because I I do have the Cover Effects one, and I don't use it. So I don't know if you guys feel weird that I opened it. I didn't use it, but how would you guys feel if I put this in my giveaway bag? Is it weird that I just opened it? Or like, should I just not put it in my giveaway at all? So this is Crown Jewel Liquid Frost. Let me know what y'all want, and I'll put it in the giveaway if you guys say you want it in the giveaway or not. And then the last thing is the orange pop socket, which I also will not be using. So this will also go in my giveaway bag. No questions asked because I didn't open it. But that is my entire box. I am happy with doll parts. I'm not going to be using question mark. And then celebrity skin looks good, and I will be using it. But I just wanted to disclose what I found, and I'm sorry if I'm like acting like weird about it, but I thought they were lies. But they weren't. And I do love Jeffree Star. I do love him so much. So this is not changing my opinion on him whatsoever. I did just get the Thirsty palette as well, but I was wondering if you guys actually wanted a video on that, just because I know this one's a little bit dated, but I wanted it so badly, and he had a sale recently, so I was like, this is my chance to get Thirsty. So I got Thirsty, and I love you, Jeffree. I was hoping it was lies, but it wasn't. And I will still continue to buy Jeffree Star stuff, not gonna lie. I am getting that Morphe palette on Tuesday. I'm going to New Jersey and I'm getting it. So that was my unboxing. Have a great day or night wherever you are in the world. Stay tuned for the Strawberry Dream palette review. Bye bye.